Welcome back to my channel OIT Marchini guys once again. Today's topic is going to be little different. Today I will show you how I edit the videos in YouTube and which all gadgets I use to make the videos. One by one I will show you all the gadgets and definitely I will reveal the price of each and every gadget. The total price is almost around 3 lakhs. So I will show each and every gadget and definitely tell you the price also, and editing software and how I edit everything I will share. Every tricks I will share with you guys. But another suggestion from my side, if you are a new YouTuber or if you don't have that financial budget or capability, then don't go for those gadgets. Actually, frankly speaking, I didn't buy these gadgets for YouTube. I brought for my own purposes. Apart from YouTube, I have to do some different jobs also. That is why I brought these tools and things. So I'll show you one by one. So for YouTube, a camera is very important. With phone also you can do it, but I use this Canon 3000D for the shooting. You can see in the screen all the details and you will find the link in the description box. And to get a stable video, you need a tripod. I use this National Geographic, you can see this National Geographic tripod to shoot the videos. Now I will show you one by one gadget. Camera I have already shown and tripod also I have shown. Now this is my primary laptop. You can see the Asus ROG G531 series. You can see in the screen, when I brought this it was around 1,53,000 rupees. Now the price has little dropped down to 1,39,000. I brought it around 8 or 9 months back. So I use this laptop for editing and each and every purpose. And I use this mouse, you can see this is a MI mouse. I brought this from the Magician China. It cost me around $10 or in Indian price 800 bucks. So now we'll move to the next gadget. This is my secondary laptop. It's little old, the Dell laptop, around 2 to 3 years old. I will show you later on why I use two laptops simultaneously. I will show you. So this cost me around 40,000 or 45,000 3 years back. Then the next gadget that is very important, that is this one, this AirPods. This is not the AirPods, it is AirPods in one side, another side you can record your audio through your laptop or your phone with these devices. And later on in this video I will show you how I record my audios with this one. Now move to the next gadget. These are my two phones. Basically phones I am showing in this video because every time you cannot use camera. So in that situation you need to have phones. So I have OnePlus 3T, another is MI5 Plus. This one also I brought from China and this one I bought from Amazon. Total cost of these two phones are 45,000 rupees. This one I think 32 or something, or at least 13 or 14,000. Or maybe next month I'll upgrade to another phone. When you are editing a video, you must need hard drives. And I have two hard drives, I will show you. Both are from Seagate. This one Seagate Backup Plus 5 TB and this is Seagate Backup Plus 2 TB. So 7 TB I have hard disk and two portable pen drives I used to carry. I use this television also for my editing purpose, and this is the Amazon Fire Stick. This is also a gadget which I am using for my editing. Later part of the video I will show you how I use this monitor or TV for my editing purpose. Now I think I have shown all the gadgets which I am using for YouTube as well as the editing purpose. Now I will show you how I edit my videos in my laptop, which all software I use, and how to edit my audio also, and how I sync. So I will show you one by one. So I use this Adobe Premiere Pro 2020 for edit my all the videos, and it's not a free software. You can use as this software as free, but for 30 days afterwards you have to buy it. So I used to spend this amount 1420 rupees per month for this software. Okay, so now I have told in the earlier part of the video that I will tell you why I use two laptops or this television screen for the editing. So now I'll show you. What I basically do is I used to project my screen to my secondary laptop or the television. So I use that Amazon Fire Stick to project. Now you can see in the screen that is my secondary display. So how I'll use that? So to project this one in that monitor, what I do is edit, preferences, then playback and Adobe Monitor 2. So now you can see in my TV that I can see the video. So here I can do, I will use this full timeline so that I can see this whole timeline and I can watch and play this. You can see. So that is the purpose, to use the television screen or the secondary laptop as my second screen. So now I'll move to the audio part. So I use to record my audios this Adobe Audition. So it is also a paid software. I used to spend the same amount like 1420 rupees per month for the Adobe Audition. And this After Effects I use the free version to edit some photo or make logos for my channel and all. So see, now also it's recording. You can see in the screen it's recording simultaneously. Afterwards I will extract this audio and I will make some filter and editing, and then I will sync with my video. So that is my setup and all the softwares I use for the editing and all. I think you have understood all my gadgets and how I edit my video, and of course it cost me around 3 lakhs rupees. I don't suggest you guys to buy all these things for only YouTube. If you really want these gadgets for your other purposes, then you can go for it definitely. So I think you have liked the video. If you have liked, don't forget to press the like button and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, press all to get notification for my upcoming videos. So that's it for the day. See you in the next video.